Sailing is a beautiful activity. In this snapshot, the sun is rising at 6:25 a.m. in the morning. It is my shift in the sailboat. So while we are crossing the Adriatic Sea, we are going to have breakfast here, and approximately we are going to arrive to Bari in Italy in another 6 hours. Hello, my name is Nav Furman. I am the skipper and owner of Marguerite, my Janus 36i sailboat. She was built in France in the year 2010, and my sailing adventure started in 2021. I purchased the boat in Croatia, and then I sailed from Croatia to Italy, southern coast of Italy. Then I proceeded to Sicily via the Messina Strait between Italy and Sicily, and sailed the northern part of Sicily, the coast that got me to Palermo in Sicily. Then I sailed to Sardinia Island and across the Tyrrhenian Sea, then to Minorca through the Balearic Sea, and also Mallorca, the island of Ibiza, and finally Spain. You can see it right there in the GPS. That's our boat, and Alicante is right there, and our boat is over there. The radar shows no ships next to us in the next 20 nautical miles or 12 nautical miles. All is good aboard. We are just heading towards our destination, and you can see the coast over there across. We are speeding up about 5.7 knots of speed. It's going quite fast. We are motoring 2200 RPM, and we are basically having the part of the jib up. The wind is 6.1 knots coming from the beam, and we are heading right to the point of the Alicante. It's right there. We need to actually get a little bit to port if we continue like that, but that's supposed to be Alicante. Yeah, beautiful day, light breeze, I would say. There you go. We have part of the jib up, just to get a little bit more of push to the boat, so it will maybe acquire the maximum speed, like about 6-7 knots. That's the maximum this stuff goes to. But it looks very beautiful. The color of the water is very nice, kind of a bluish, navy blue. The departure was a little bit compromised by rain. There was a strong downpour of rain when we just got out, but I believe there is more rain there. Jab, do you think there's rain going on there too? Yeah, I think there is some rain there in yeah, Benidorm, that's correct. So this is all what is going on now. The boat is just 5.7, 5.8 knots, maybe 6 sometimes, and just chugging along to go. So this is the coast of Spain, and we are getting closer to Alicante, the port of Alicante. We are here in Alicante. And this is actually the entrance of this wonderful place. If you can see it over there, it has a clock, and then the main house over there. There is some room for some restaurants over there, and this is Plaza Santissima, and that's a job over here, and he's and look at the beauty of it with the palm trees on top and the beauty of the city. So that's what the Alicante. Esta es la pasarela que viene bajando hasta la parte de abajo de la ciudad, y este es por supuesto el mirador que va a la ciudad de Alicante, con todas la mirada de ahí. Alicante, con todas la mirada de allá. El puerto está para aquí, y aquí se va bajando uno. We are getting down all the way to the city, and you can see then the port there. And this is the actual fortress here in the. So all is actually connected, and we will have going down there into that part of the city. So we will take a look at it when we come back. And he's going to show you exactly what are the ingredients.
Okay,
please.
I forgot the milk, so just a moment.
All right.
Just a moment.
Okay.
Take out the milk. That's right here.
All right.
And so that's the last.
All right.
You prepare it. And well, it's basically made out of potatoes.
Okay. Out of
And
potatoes.
it's made out of potatoes. I already cut them. So on top of the potatoes, you put onion. You cover it by onions properly. So there's quite a bit of onions, and especially preferably white onions, because they're not that they have a taste of red onions that are very tasty, and you put them in a salad.
Right.
And then on top of those onions, you put the carrots.
Okay.
And together with that, you will cook. You boil the potatoes with the sausages, and this is the bacon that you're gonna fry in this pan and add later to the hutspot. We call it hutspot. Hutspot is a type of mashed potatoes with vegetables, and you have many different kinds of Stampots in the Netherlands. It's always mashed potatoes with vegetables, and you use, preferably you use butter. This is margarine. We don't have anything else right now. And you mix it with milk, and of course salt and pepper, as you wish. And that's basically the type of Stamppot what we make, but you can make it with all kinds of vegetables, and this kind we call hutspot. So they will cook fine with the potatoes, and as you see, they will really fill it up too. So
not a small, but
it's about 5 big carrots. Almost the same way as the potatoes. This one is okay too. Okay, put this in a pan.
Basically, it's covering the entire pan there, which is really nice, and it contains.
So
yes.
now you have a pan filled with carrots
Filled,
and
yes.
onions and potatoes.
Now, let me turn this on so you can see, and now you see it. Okay, so that's the carrots and the onions and in the bottom of the potatoes.
And what you wanna when you like it salty, you can add salt.
Right.
Right now, because it will it will be absorbed by the potatoes and the carrots. What do you
Please.
like?
Yes, please put
Yes.
some.
Put some salt
Yeah,
in.
please put some salt.
Not too much.
Mm-hmm.
It's just depend on your taste. But salt, salt makes taste. Too,
Yeah,
so.
makes the taste better.
Yes.
Yes.
So I put some salt, and this will dissolve into the steam.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then finally you put 2 of these fresh sausages.
Mm-hmm.
We call it in the Netherlands. We call it verse worst.
Mm-hmm.
And some people cook it with pre-cooked worst sausage, like smoked sausage. But I like it better with this one. This is how my mother always made it. So
That way.
that's the way.
That's the way it
So,
goes. It goes in there.
Yes.
And now.
Into the vegetables. So try to find out how much water is really needed. But be sure it doesn't cook dry, because then it will burn everything. So
Yeah, that's a good advice. To get the taste, is better to have the precise amount of water, which is a give and take. You need to really experiment with that. But in this case, we are pretty close, very, very close to the right amount of water.
I think so.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now.
The vegetables are ready.
Yes.
I take the sausages out because they're they're ready too.
Okay.
And just by boiling the water, top it up with this so they stay a little warm. And normally you use a potato masher to mash the potatoes. It looks like this. That's the potato masher you should use, but we don't have it here.
Right.
So so what I do is I just cut it a little.
Yep.
And then smash it by other means.
Yeah, we are going to improvise with this thing here, but usually you need to get yourself something like this with the potato smasher, a much better tool.
And normally you put butter in it, real butter.
Yeah.
I forgot to buy it, so what we do is we put margarine.
Just, margarine instead of butter.
And this is a package of about 125 grams. So normally I put almost, for a pan like this size, almost 100 grams of butter in it. So this is quite a bit.
Yeah.
So, but it will give it a real more. I don't know the English word for it.
The better taste of it.
A better taste, but more like
consistency.
Something else.
Yeah.
And I use whole milk. Okay.
Okay.
Quite a bit, and just see how much you want to use. And it should be more liquid than it is now. So.
Okay.
So what I do is just cut this.
It's already looking good. And we'll see when it comes with the smasher and.
Okay.
All right.
So. There's enough milk in it already.
It has
So
to be
better fill it up a little more slowly, so to find out what consistency you want and how much there should be in. But when you start smashing it, it will be more consistent after a while. So when you put too much in it, it will be too milky, and that's not nice.
Yeah.
So
it has to be the precise.
So what I do is you can add even a little bit more salt when you want, but you put some pepper in it, and nutmeg, but we don't have it, so we will eat it without nutmeg. But that will give some more taste too. So.
Yeah. The nutmeg is kind of an extra addition to it. We don't have it at this moment. We forgot to get it, but the nutmeg will add a little bit more of delicious taste to it.
So, and as we don't have a real potato smasher, we'll use this.
Yeah.
To make it a real hot spot.
Yes, that's actually the name of the entire dish.
Can you switch it?
If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Your humble Captain Nav Foreman will thank you from the deep of his sailing heart. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.